Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
So friends, as mentioned on your screen, there is a question which says that we have to calculate the number of moles and molecules, that is the number of molecules of ammonia present in 5.6 dm cube of volume at STP. So this dm cube is being mentioned, so it would be very much easy for us to calculate that we are now talking about the molar volume. So now it will be as that 1 mole of any gas, as we know that 1 mole of the gas, and in this case we are talking about ammonia, 1 mole of ammonia, that is NH3, will occupy a volume of 22.4 dm cube, that is the molar volume. So therefore 5.6 dm cube will have how many number of particles? It will have how many number of moles? It will have x number of moles. Suppose in that I'm considering that. So therefore x moles of ammonia is occupying somewhere around, that is 5.6 that they have provided to us, 5.6 dm cube of ammonia. So how can we calculate? We can calculate it by cross multiplication. So what I'm going to do is I'm cross multiplying it. Then the answer that I could get it as, what I'm doing is I'm multiplying 5.6 into 1, while that of 22.4 I'm multiplying it with x, and this is x, that is the number of moles of ammonia that I have to calculate when 5.6 dm cube of or this volume of ammonia has been present. So therefore x will be equals to 5.6 into 1 divided by 22.4. So let us see what is the answer that we could get. So we have got 0.25 mole of ammonia. So x is nothing but 0.25 mole of ammonia. So that means we have clearly mentioned it as, suppose if 22.4 dm cube occupies 1 volume, or it has it means it is 1 mole of ammonia, that means 5.6 dm cube of ammonia is nothing but 0.25 moles of ammonia. So the first data we have calculated it in a very easy way. So now we are moving towards the next one, that is they have asked that we have to calculate the number of molecules of ammonia present in it. So as we know that 1 mole of ammonia, in this case I am mentioning it as 1 mole, okay. So 1 mole of ammonia will contain 6.023 into, or 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of ammonia. So therefore 0.25 mole of ammonia, that is of NH3, will occupy, suppose in this case I have made it as Y molecules. So again the thing that we are going to do is we are now going to cross multiply this thing. So the answer where we could get is, that is Y is equals to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 multiplied by, that is 0.25. So let us see what is the answer that we could get. We have got the answer as 1.505 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of ammonia, but in 0.25 mole. So this is the thing that we have got. So basically again I will say that 1 mole of ammonia will occupy 22.4 liter of ammonia. That is means we are talking about that 1 mole of ammonia will occupy 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of ammonia. So now what we have calculated as, we have calculated that 5.6 dm cube is nothing but 0.25 mole of ammonia, and in this moles that we have got, and we could easily estimate that the number of particles that are being present in 0.25 mole of ammonia is nothing but 1.505 into 10 raised to 23 particles, or we could say molecules of ammonia that is present in that much quantity. So this was a very easy one, but yes, and another kind of sum that we have did, or numerical that we have did. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video and you will try to do this kind of numericals in your home too. So share this video with your friends, and yes, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.